welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. Today's adventure is Mischa from Paula Young in 812A Pecan Delight. So she's a longer one. She's got a lot of layering in her, real pretty, especially around the face. She's got a lot of layering coming down, so very pretty, and it's the Pecan Delight. And let's see what she's got. She's got a nice soft velour. She's got basic open ears. We've got the extended nape and the Velcro extenders. And for stretch, she's got really decent stretch. Okay, and I have on my normal Milano wig grip cap. Okay, so let's put her on. And as always, I like to make sure that the nape is tucked underneath. Now I prefer a middle part, so this one I'm pretty sure you can part anywhere you want. And I will show you a couple of different ways, but I'm gonna start in the middle. I think I tried her on a little earlier, so she's got some box here, so we're gonna have to put this down a little bit over here. I noticed earlier she had some box here. All I did so far was comb her out earlier. She seemed a little naughty, so I did comb her out. So see, she's got a little bit of box here, right here, so I'm gonna use the blow dryer and comb that, blow dry that down a little bit. But here is what she looks like with a middle part, which is my preference, but I will show you guys a side part. So this is the left, so maybe the left, so if I use the left I probably don't have to comb the maybe I will do the left, then I won't have to fix that box here. So here's a left. The left is kind of cute. Oh, I think maybe I'm gonna do the left today. Doesn't it look kind of cute? The left kind of looks cute. Yeah, I think I'll do the left. I think I'll do the left. Maybe that's why it looked like it needed box hairs, because it really, maybe it's supposed to really go on the left. So that's a left part. Let me just put, I want to just put a little bit of water in her. Freshen up just freshen up these fibers a little bit. I am gonna have to rethink my storage, and I knew the day was coming, but I'm not gonna be able to keep them out like I have them, because I am starting to feel the difference, especially like this one too. Starting to feel the effects of the fibers of them sitting out. It's starting to impact them. So unfortunately, which really stinks, because I need to see my wigs. I do. I need to see them. That's how I pick my wigs. I look at them. I look at the colors. That's how I color match them. And my pictures don't have what colors they are. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Don't know what I'm gonna do. So she's got a little bit of Permatease on the top, nothing on the sides. Oh, let's check the ear coverage. So let's see, we've got the coverage, good coverage. So I'm down to here. It's covering all my over here. It's covering everything over here. So we got good ear coverage. So really just Permatease. Not even a lot. I don't even think I really, yeah, it's not even a lot of Permatease. Just a little bit. Not a lot at all. No, not a lot at all. So this one, not a lot of Permatease at all. She's pretty though, isn't she? I love the layering. Yeah, she's real pretty. Real pretty. This is Mischa. M-I-S-C-H-A. She's real pretty. And she's a nice length, so she's not too long. Yeah, this is pretty. So this is Mischa. I'm not going to do much else to her. Yeah, she's gorgeous. All right, let me take you around. This is my right. Take you to the back. Make sure you can see. And then here's the left. Yeah, she's pretty. Oh, she's pretty. I am loving her. All right. That is it. I'm not doing anything else to her. All right, there's Mischa. She's my wig for today. And I'll just take you over to my outfit. Yep. All right, I'm going to stop touching her. All right, let me take you over and show you what outfit I'm wearing her with. And you know what? Let me say, so here's long, right? So here's the difference. I can wear her to work all day. You want to know why? Because she's got layering, and so she's cut back. So she's very different than Brooks, who Brooks was just all kind of forward-facing, kind of hanging in your face, where Mischa's not. Like when I go like this, it's not hanging in my face, where Brooks was. So I can wear this to work all day, because it's not, see when I do like this? It's not hanging in my face. It's all layering and pushed back. So this is the kind of long hair that I can wear all day for work, because it's not like Brooks where it's all kind of like hanging in your face. So these are the ones I like. And I love the long hair because that's what I've had most of my life. This is like what I wanted. Long hair that had some body and volume. Anyway, I'm digressing. Over to my outfit. All right, and then here's the outfit. I have these olive green shorts, and then I have these olive green sandals. You know, they're a little dressier because, you know, I have this sweater on. So these are the sandals, and that's it. This is the outfit for the day with Mischa. That's it. All right, and then I will come back and let you know if I had any issues with her at the end of the day. So see how she wore, see how she did at work, you know, with the hair all in my face, you know, if I had any problems with her in my face or anything. But that's it. That's it. That's the outfit for today. All right, thanks for stopping by. Hi everyone. So here's end of night summary. So Mischa, with all this hair, is another one of those wigs that I hardly felt like I had a wig on. And what I loved about Mischa is that she's another wig that I felt like myself. So every time I like looked in the mirror, like it felt like the old Pam, you know, like one of my, you know, how I used to look. So oh my God, I loved it. I loved Mischa. She's got a lot of density, so been hearing a lot of problems with Paula Young wigs, that you see the wefting, that everybody's, no. She's got tons of density. Yeah, I loved her. She's got tons of density. I feel like I don't even have a wig on. I love her layering. I fell asleep in her. I fell asleep, forgot I even had a wig on. I loved her. Mischa, thumbs up, 100%. Get her. I don't even know if she's still there. Mischa, loved her. Anyway, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love for you to join me on my adventures. We have a good time. I try to have a good time trying to share with you my adventures and all of the wigs that I'm trying. If you notice, I do everything from local stores all the way up to name brand. Every color, every style, every length. I have a little bit of an adventurous spirit, so I'm willing to try anything and everything. So if you haven't subscribed, please do, so you'll be hit that notification bell so you'll notified every time I upload. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.